In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up suggestions on Discord using Carlbot. First, we need to bring Carlbot into your server. Head to carl.gg in your browser, click the invite button, pick the server you want to use, and authorize the bot with administrator permission. You'll need to have the right permissions in Discord to invite bots to that server. Once authorized, you should see Carlbot appear in your member list. Next, set up a space for your community to submit ideas. In your Discord server, create a new text channel dedicated to suggestions. A clear name like Nasham Suggestions works best, so people know exactly where to post. If you want to keep accepted and rejected ideas organized, you can optionally create 2 more channels, approved suggestions and denied suggestions, but that's entirely up to you. Now let's enable the feature in the dashboard. Go back to carl.gg, log in with your Discord account, select your server from the list, and open modules, then suggestions. Toggle enable suggestions so the module is active for your server. If you don't see your server, double check that Carlbot is in the server and that you're logged into the correct Discord account. With the module on, configure the settings so it behaves the way you expect. Set the suggestions channel to your NAM suggestions channel. Choose the voting emojis, typically thumbs up for upvotes and thumbs down for downvotes. Turn allow comments on so members can discuss suggestions. Leave anonymous suggestions off if you want transparency, and turn 1 suggestion per message on to keep each idea focused. When you're happy with the configuration, make sure to save your changes so everything sticks. For staff moderation, Carlbot provides simple approval commands. To approve a suggestion, use bar suggest approve reason here. To deny one, use bar suggest deny reason here. Replace the placeholder with the actual message ID and a short reason. When staff take action, Carlbot will update the embed color, add a clear approved or denied status, and if you've set a review destination, post the result in that channel for visibility. Finally, lock down the suggestions channel to prevent clutter. Open channel settings for Nasham Suggestions, go to permissions, disable, send messages for regular members so they can't chat there, enable ad reactions so they can vote, and ensure Carlbot is allowed to send messages and manage embeds. If staff need to comment, grant them the appropriate overrides. At this point, your suggestion system is ready. Your community can submit ideas, members can vote, and your team can review and respond cleanly.